Some new developments in the case of an Ellington man accused of killing his wife nearly 6 years ago. It is back to the drawing board after a judge dismissed the entire jury in the trial of Richard DeBate. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is live from Rockville Superior Court with more on what this means for the start of the trial. Mike.
Well, and Aaron, DeBate's lawyers and prosecutors were close to having a full jury back in March of 2020, and then COVID shut things down. Add in a death to DeBate's legal team, and it looks like we're at least months away before that trial can start.
Many of the jurors have scheduled conflicts. They have moved out of state.
Judge Julia Dewey saying today that a new jury will be needed before Richard DeBate's murder trial can begin. Richard DeBate is accused of killing his wife Connie in the couple's Ellington home in December of 2015. Richard DeBate was arrested in 2017. DeBate's lawyers and prosecutors were one juror short in March of 2020, but then all courts in Connecticut were shut down because of COVID. The trial was slated to begin in April of last year, but now it's unknown when that will happen. Outside of court, DeBate's lawyers didn't want to comment. Is it frustrating that the case has been going on for so long?
No comment on the schedule. COVID is what COVID is.
People in Ellington were surprised today that the case is still going on. In fact, some had moved on from following it.
So much is going on in the world. I just kind of lost track of that one.
DeBate told police he returned home around 8:30 or 9 in the morning the day his wife was killed because an alarm went off. He says an intruder entered the home and killed his wife in an altercation that lasted 10 minutes. But in court documents, police say evidence contradicts his timeline, including data gathered by the home alarm system and by Connie DeBate's activity tracker. Before jury selection can even begin, DeBate has to sort out his legal team. DeBate hired well-known criminal defense lawyer Hubie Santos, but Santos died in June. Trent LaLima was already working as DeBate's lead lawyer, but asked for time to recruit a new co-counsel. Judge Dewey said today that decision must happen before jury selection can begin.
The scheduling that depends on how fast that attorney can finish his case.
And to that point, this case drew national attention because of the amount of technology involved to put this case together. That Fitbit data, the home alarm system, even Facebook messages. This DeBate is due back in court on October 5th for an update on his legal team. In the meantime, he remains free on $1 million bond. Live from Rockville, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Mike, thank you. All new tonight.